Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY nail hack, which is the DIY fake nails using only cornstarch and nail glue. So I'm using the Kiss brush on nail glue, and I'm using cornstarch, and I have a makeup brush that I'll be using in this tutorial. I'm using a nail file, and also the nails that I'm using is from EC Basket by Nails Gaga, which I ordered from off of Amazon like a really long time ago. So these are my nails before. These nails are like really flimsy. They don't last as long. They kind of like break at the tip of the nail. So I'm gonna be testing out this hack to see if these nails last longer than what they usually do. So I'm going to take these nails off really quick. Okay, so these are the nails that I'm using. These are the like cat claw nails from EC Basket by Nails Gaga. I'll leave a link down below if I can find it. I got them from off of Amazon. So these are really good. I've had these for a really long time. So I'm going to go ahead and line my nails up. So next I'm going to be using the original super glue. I love this glue to glue on my nails. They last a really long time when I use this super glue. So this is just me gluing on my nails.
A few inches later.
So I finally have all of my nails glued on. They look really good, but I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm just going to use the nail file to file down the tip of the nail just so the claw part won't be so sharp. And then I'm going to take the buffing side of the nail file to buff out the nail. So you want to make sure like the nail isn't shiny. You want to get rid of the shine on the nail. And this is what it looks like. So my nail has no shine to it, and I feel like this is like a really good foundation for me to add on the nail glue, the brush on nail glue that I'm going to be using, and also the cornstarch. Next, I'm going to take this Kiss brush on nail glue, and I'm going to apply a layer onto my nail. Next, I'm just going to open up my cornstarch, and I'm just going to use the box. I'm just going to dip my nail straight into this cornstarch box because this cornstarch is really messy. So this is just me using the nail glue. I'm just going to apply a really thin layer onto my nail. Next, this is me just dipping my nail straight into the cornstarch. Next, I'm going to take this makeup brush, and I'm going to tap off the cornstarch from my nail. And with this, I noticed that if you just kind of like lightly tap on your nail to remove this cornstarch, it works out pretty good. It's almost like you're laying down a layer of acrylic on your nails. Next, this is me just going in with the Kiss brush on nail glue again. I'm doing a second layer of this. So I'm going to use the brush on nail glue, and then I'm going to dip my nail back into the cornstarch to create another layer. So this is me doing the third layer because I want to build a nail almost like I'm doing acrylic. So I did like about 3 to 4 layers on each nail.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so at this point, I noticed that this technique works way better if you just let the cornstarch sit on your nail. Just wait until the nail glue actually dries, and then wipe it off with your brush. So at this point, it looks like I've been making biscuits all day, but this is just the cornstarch on my nails. Next, I'm going to file my nail. I'm using the buffing side of this nail file. Next, I'm going to be using this LA Colors Rapid Dry Nail Polish top coat. So I applied one layer of this onto each nail. Excuse my hands. This is just the cornstarch.
A few moments later.
Okay, so these are my nails before I applied the nail polish. So I'm using the Kiss Gel nail polish in the shade called Dream Fit. So overall, I feel like my nails turned out pretty good, but honestly, like, I will not be trying this nail hack or nail trend ever again. It was just way too messy with the cornstarch. So let me know in the comments below if you will ever try this nail hack or nail trend with using cornstarch.